Hey guys, so I'm going to show you my deep conditioning routine. I've already cold washed my hair. I'm using the split end repair mask from Eden Body Works, which is one of my favorite masks to use. I'm going to spray my hair with warm water, and I like to make sure my hair is soaking wet when applying my deep conditioners. Also, the warm water helps keep the hair cuticles open so that the deep conditioner works from inside out. I like to apply the mask starting at the end since it's the driest, and I'll apply the mask on the whole quadrant and then apply it in subsections. I'm kind of stretching the mask, if that makes sense, because I want to make sure that my hair is fully coated. I am heavy-handed as you can see, but this mask is very creamy, and once I sit under the dryer, it does penetrate into my hair. Eden Body Works Split End Repair Mask is one of my favorites. It's very intense, which means that it helps strengthen and protects the hair. I also love that this mask contains sweet almond oil, marshmallow root extract, aloe vera, and coconut oil, just to name a few. Now this mask is affordable. I believe the price is either $8.99 or $9.99 for 16 ounces, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and finish up. Once I finish applying the mask, I'm taking a Moisture Miracle Oil to seal in all of the nutrients. So after sitting under the dryer, I wanted to show you how moisturizing this mask is before rinsing it out. My hair feels amazing, it's super soft, and you can see just how defined my curls actually are. So that is it. I haven't did a deep conditioner routine in a while, so I thought that I would do one for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later.